पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr.
In a grave escalation, Pakistan Army launched drones, artillery and Fatah ballistic missiles targeting over 26 locations in northern and western India last night. That includes civilian infrastructure like Medicare centers, schools, airports and even 4 air bases, which were neutralized by the integrated counter-unmanned aerial system and air defense systems, and the Air Force even released pictures to show that there was no damage. India's Akash and MRSAM missile systems successfully intercepted several Pakistani Fatah-2 missiles over Sirsa Haryana, and the interception was captured on CCTV. Indian Army destroyed multiple Turkish Bayraktar Yiha-3 kamikaze drones over Amritsar using upgraded air defense guns. Indian Army destroyed multiple Turkish drones in Punjab's Khasa. Several media reports from reputed sources indicate that India has shot down 2 Pakistani fighter jets earlier today, and that authorities have headed to recover debris, and search parties from Indian Army, CRPF and J&K police are trying to locate the pilots. In response to Pakistan Army escalation, India has announced that the Indian Air Force conducted successful missile strikes on 6 Pakistani Airbases and 2 radar bases using precision weapons launched from fighter jets early this morning, in which Pakistan suffered major damage to runway, loss of military equipments, destruction of underground weapons storage facility, several aircraft hangars and some aircraft. A debris from a 40N6 long-range surface-to-air missile of India's S-400 system has been recovered in Pakistan, and top experts have said that the absence of visible electronics in the missile fragments indicates it was a successful hit, and matches with the report of India shooting down a Pakistani AWACS aircraft inside Pakistani territory. After a precise Indian missile attack on a Pakistani airbase, pictures shared by Pakistani civilians shows damaged Pakistani C-130 Hercules and CN-235 transport aircraft engulfed in flames. After Indian missile strikes on 8 Pakistani bases, Pakistan has resorted to spreading fake news and misinformation, and it falsely claimed that an Indian Air Force Rafale pilot has been captured, and Indian authorities have said that it is a completely false news, aimed to manipulate public perception after Indian strikes. Several Pakistani and Chinese media had falsely claimed destruction of India's S-400 system, and Indian Air Force officials have confirmed that all reports regarding destruction of S-400 system are completely false. India has successfully test-fired a Brahmos supersonic cruise missile for an extended range of 800 kilometers, marking a historic milestone in its development. The Indian Army has destroyed multiple Pakistani posts along LOC using 8 TGMs. BSF has destroyed multiple Pakistani Rangers posts, and remaining Pakistani Rangers left their posts and ran. Top analysts have said that one of the prime reasons that American news agencies are celebrating even to the false report of Pakistan shooting down Indian Rafale aircraft, as this narrative will be used to promote American fighter jets into the Indian market, targeting the multi-billion-dollar MRSAM deal. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.